The latest figure on the number of people who have caught the chikungunya fever in Phuket has reportedly reached 535 cases, an increase of over 200 cases from the previous week. The official figure was released by the provincial chief doctor, Pongsawat Ratanasang, who revealed that 3 of the admitted patients are foreigners. They are Koreans who run businesses in Phuket. They have, however, fully recovered now. The patients are still mostly found in Srisunthorn area in Talang, as mosquitoes are mostly found in rubber plantations. The chief doctor stressed that health officials and related agencies are working together to eradicate mosquitoes by spraying and educating residents to prevent themselves from mosquito bites. Mosquito repellents are also given out to trekking tour companies or adventure types to keep control of the fever. The Phuket Authority enhances police numbers for security checks at the ThaChartChai checkpoint. Visiting the ThaChartChai checkpoint on Thursday to observe the police operation at Phuket's only land gateway, Phuket Vice Governor Warapat Ratissima said more personnel are added to the checkpoint to support ThaChartChai police. He said the officers are working 3 shifts 24 hours a day, aiming at preventing any crime activities, scanning for narcotic drugs, and more. Mr. Warapat made a visit to the checkpoint and nearby area in Maikau with the local government and the highway officials to tidy up and regulate the billboards to make the scene more pleasant. On the other hand, a teenage gang who killed a woman was caught in Phuket. 2 young men, aged 17 and 19 years old, were arrested by Phuket police after they reportedly stabbed a 71-year-old woman to death. The crime occurred on May 14th when Mrs. Oranut Tamrongkiyat Kun was killed by robbers who attempted to snatch her gold necklace. The incident happened in Jumtong Thani housing compound in Vichit area. The 2 men admitted to police that on the day the crime took place, they rode around looking for victims. They saw the old lady wearing a 3-baht-in-weight gold necklace, attempted to snatch it, but the old lady resisted. They then stabbed her to death. The arrest of the 2 men have led to another gang of 4, aged between 16 to 20 years old. They admitted to have been carrying out such crimes for the past 3 to 4 years. Many items were seized as evidence. They included a motorcycle, wallets, and cell phones. The Krabi Authority extends citizen networks to assist officials to watch their communities. During this quieter season for tourism, the Krabi Authority and tourism sectors focus on improving standards of services and security measures, according to Krabi Governor Siva Sirisalalak. He recently held a meeting with related officials to discuss tourist safety as a main issue. The meeting highlighted provincial and district police to extend the surveillance networks, having local residents playing roles in information gathering, and recommend that police introduce checkpoints at needed locations following circumstances. Mr. Siwa also stressed the facts to Andaman News concerning the recent tourist deaths in Krabi, saying that they were mostly from illness, not assaults or harassment. He, however, stated that he had called for all parties, government, private organizations, or businesses, plus citizen networks, to take care and watch the community to instill confidence in visitors. The Phuket Red Cross chapter invite members of the public to make blood donations on World Blood Donor Day 2009. Members of the public are invited and encouraged to make blood donations and view activities at Bangkok Hospital in Phuket to commemorate the World Blood Donor Day on June 14th. The Vice Chairman of the Red Cross Phuket chapter, Nawarat Ratissima, said the event will provide opportunities for blood recipients to thank blood donors and those who support or are behind the donations. The International Red Cross and World Health Organization designated June 14th to be World Blood Donor Day. The global theme for 2009 is achieving 100% non-remunerated donation of blood and blood components, which places a renewed emphasis on improving the safety and sufficiency of blood supply. As more and more countries achieve the goal of 100% voluntary, non-remunerated blood donations, there is growing appreciation of the vital role of voluntary donors who donate blood on a regular basis. Not only are they the safest blood donors, they are also the foundation of sustainable national blood supplies that are sufficient to meet the needs of all patients requiring blood and blood components. And finally, in local news, many activities are organized in Phuket in recognition of World Environment Day today, June 5th. Many activities are organized as part of efforts to campaign for environmental awareness in commemoration of World Environmental Day today, June 5th. In Phuket, the Office of Phuket City joins hands with the Phuket City Environment Network to organize an event at the Queen Sirikit Public Park and along Talang and Dibuk roads during June 5th through the 6th. Exhibitions and demonstrations of works by various groups such as compost fertilizer, bioorganic gas, and alternative energy will be displayed. Second-hand marketplaces will also be arranged. Furniture and decorative items from leading hotels will be put on sale, while people can also give out recycled materials or unused materials there. Organic agriculture products and plants will be displayed and on sale. Folk song contests will also be on stage.